Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can find recently deleted photos on your iOS 18 iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments and also friends, subscribe to this channel. And let's get started friends. So, first of all, you're going to need to open the gallery. After that, you will need to scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see an option where you can find recently deleted photos. You will need to open this folder. Next, confirm your actions by clicking Open Album. And as you can see, you can only open such an album after you either pass the Face ID scan or maintain your passcode from your phone. Then you will, as you can see, go to the folder of photos or videos that you have deleted earlier. And if you'd like to delete those media files, you'll need to. If it's a single file, you can open it up, and at the bottom you can click Delete. And then confirm the deletion from that device. If you want to delete more than one file, then I recommend that you select the option at the top called Mark. Now you can select multiple photos. You can also pull on such photos. After you select the photo you want, just click on the three dots at the bottom and select Delete. Confirm your action. And instantly, as you can see, such photos and videos will be deleted from the Deleted Photos folder. Friends, here is such a very quick method you can easily find recently deleted photos on your iOS 18 iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write, friends, your comments. See you soon.